The GAZ-69 2026 is not just a redesigned vehicle, it's the rebirth of a true military legend that once defined ruggedness, simplicity, and reliability. The original GAZ-69, first produced in the early 1950s, became one of the most iconic off-road vehicles of the Soviet Union. Known for its durability and ability to handle the harshest terrains, it was used both by the army and civilians. Now, in 2026, the legendary model returns with modern engineering, a powerful design, and advanced technology, all while preserving the soul of the original machine that conquered forests, deserts, and mountains. The new GAZ-69 2026 combines the classic silhouette of the vintage model with a bold modern aesthetic. The body retains the square, muscular proportions that give it a sense of toughness and purpose. The new LED headlights are perfectly integrated into the timeless round frame, providing a balance between retro design and futuristic style. The grille remains inspired by the original pattern but is now reimagined with chrome accents and an embossed GAZ logo at the center, representing strength and heritage. Under the hood, the GAZ-69 2026 hides impressive power. It comes equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine capable of producing around 220 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. This engine ensures the vehicle can handle any environment, from muddy village roads to rocky mountain passes. For those who prefer cleaner energy, an optional hybrid version is also available, pairing an electric motor with a 2.0-liter petrol engine for greater efficiency and reduced emissions. The four-wheel drive system has been completely modernized, offering both manual and automatic terrain response modes. The suspension system is redesigned to absorb impacts even in extreme off-road conditions, ensuring comfort without sacrificing capability. The interior of the GAZ-69 2026 is a perfect example of how tradition meets innovation. The cabin maintains the minimalist Soviet-era inspiration but is now finished with premium materials and modern comforts. The seats are covered in eco-leather with contrast stitching, designed for long-distance travel and comfort during rough rides. A digital dashboard replaces the old analog gauges, providing real-time vehicle diagnostics, navigation, and off-road data. The infotainment system supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with a 10-inch touchscreen placed at the center of the dashboard. Despite its modern upgrades, the design keeps the nostalgic charm of the original model with simple lines and metal accents that remind drivers of its military roots. One of the most impressive features of the GAZ-69 2026 is its off-road capability. The vehicle is built on a reinforced ladder frame chassis, ensuring maximum rigidity and protection. It has a ground clearance of 260 mm, allowing it to cross rivers, climb steep hills, and move through deep snow or sand without difficulty. The approach and departure angles have been optimized for extreme conditions, and the differential lock system offers extra traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. The new model also introduces advanced safety features such as electronic stability control, hill descent assist, and a 360-degree camera for complete visibility in challenging terrain. From the outside, the GAZ-69 2026 commands attention with its aggressive stance and distinctive personality. The matte military green paint is a nod to its past, but the car is also available in black, sand beige, and deep metallic grey for a more modern appeal. The large off-road tires, exposed bolts, and functional roof rack emphasize its adventure-ready character. Even the rear section pays homage to the old design with side-mounted spare tires and minimalistic taillights. The revival of the GAZ-69 is not only a technological upgrade but also a cultural one. It symbolizes the connection between generations, between the men who drove it in military service decades ago and the new explorers who seek freedom on the open road. It captures the essence of endurance, simplicity, and strength that made the original GAZ a symbol of Soviet engineering. Now it returns with the confidence to compete with modern SUVs while retaining its authentic spirit. The GAZ-69 2026 is more than a vehicle, it's a statement. It represents a time when machines were built to last, and adventure meant facing the unknown with courage. With its powerful performance, classic design, and modern comfort, it bridges the gap between history and the future. Whether it's used for exploration, work, or simply to stand out from the crowd, this new GAZ-69 proves that true legends never die, they just evolve.